Okay, I just got off from the metro listening to some fall music because at this time it's like, I don't know, fall music, it's something about fall where you feel like you're just having to live the moment and it's just so beautiful. Right now I'm walking up to Montreal, the mountain here in Montreal, the biggest mountain. Everything's the only mountain here. I'm walking up there. It's probably gonna take about 20 minutes to get up there, which is perfectly fine. I kinda needed this walk because this week I haven't done much at all. Like I haven't done any workouts. Normally I would wake up at 6:30, go to gym at 7. But then at this time, for this week, I did not go to the gym at all. So I think this will be a pretty good exercise for this week. So let's do it. I had to put a mask on. It's just there's a lot of people in this park, especially in the stairs. Yeah, there's a lot of people here and I want to wear a mask just to be safe. Yeah, it's a killer to wear a mask doing our hiking. It's hard to breathe. We are almost there. It's such a steep stairs here. It's crazy. But there's a chalet here actually in Montreal. I haven't been to this lookout point. They said it's pretty.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
I'm gonna continue on with the hike. I actually got my rest. I got to write in my journal. I got to read for a bit. I actually want to go home a little bit early today because there's a lot of things that I wanted to do, like clean my apartment, finish my color grading with the video that I'm gonna be posting this week. Now I'm gonna go off the trail and explore more in the woods. I think that is more exciting.
Wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. And the part left is hurting deep inside of me.
There's something about fall that I always fall in love with. It is just beautiful. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. This is like one of my favorite seasons. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's kind of like right in the middle. Well, it's kind of like cold, but then it's not too hot. And you're able to wear cozy sweaters and jackets, and it's just, it's one thing that I love the most. That is my hike for today. That's my adventure for Sunday. I don't know if every Sunday or every Saturday or somewhere around the weekend. There's tam-tams going on in Montreal, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. I love how broken my apartment is when it comes to like the doorknobs. The doorknobs are just ridiculous. All of my doorknobs in my apartment is like literally broken. I have not said anything about it to my doorman or my concierge. I'm actually gonna go tell them so they can actually fix all my doorknobs in my apartment because it is not good, honey. The hike that I'm gonna go for is not too far from where I live. It's actually, you can see from here now, so it only takes about 10 minutes to get here to live, and you can actually see from here. Oh, it's called St. Joseph Oratory. I don't know. I don't even know how to say it, but it's called Saint Joseph something, but in French it's like, I think it's like l'Oratory, Saint Joseph. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I have to go search this up because it's so cringy because I can't say it properly. There's actually times that I do think I'm very funny. And like literally videos that I put out on YouTube, I watched them so many times and I still laugh like a freak. Well, this is my second time coming here. Yes it is. This is my second time coming here. First time I came here was probably around spring of this year. And if you're living here in Montreal and you're wanting to visit here to Montreal, definitely go check this place out. Of course, it is closed inside, but it's okay. I might have to go check it out next year when it's open. Do you see this? It's crazy. We're here. Oh, they closed that down. It is beautiful. That's why I like traveling. I get to see views like this in different seasons. Yes. Like to me, it still amazes me how much I have grown. It amazes me that I'm in Montreal. Like last year, I was just in my room and I was just like, yo, mama, papa. I was just writing on my paper, putting it in my wallet, and I was just like, I want to go to Montreal. I want to go live in Montreal. The amount of work and money saving up for this trip and for this move, it got me to where I am. And it makes me think that everything is possible. And it's just amazing. Yes, it is. And you guys are probably like, yes, it is, Kevin. Everything is impossible. But the amount of time and effort and everything that I have done, and then the amount of emotions that I have to leave my parents just for me to come here, just for me to move here, it's incredible. And I just want to scream. I don't know why. You ever have that feeling